Boys and girls, it's Miss Judy, and if we were at school right now, we would be talking about under the sea, and we would also be doing an under the sea lunch at school. We would be doing our under the sea lunch to practice walking through a cafeteria line and picking out our food. Miss April, on her video this week, showed some different things to practice like lunch boxes and opening packages. But Miss Judy thought we could also practice going through a lunch line. So how about I show you our under the sea menu for our under the sea cafeteria lunch. All right, here it is. I'm going to open it up. Ooh, look, under the sea menu, we have octopus, we have sea monsters, we have fish, we have ocean water, we have seaweed, and we have octopus juice. Raise your hand if you think you might try some of those things. Octopus, sea monsters, fish, ocean water, seaweed, and octopus juice. Can you try to figure out what some of those things might be? All right, would you like to see? Now, the thing about going through a cafeteria line, though, is that you have to read your messages. It'll tell you how many scoops or how many of each thing to take. One of the things Miss April suggests is that you practice with a tray if you have a tray at home, so you could practice carrying a tray. So Miss Judy got a tray for her under the sea menu. All right, let's get started. Octopus. Here's my tray. Look at my octopus. How many octopus am I going to take? You're right, one. And look at my octopus. It is really a hot dog that looks like an octopus. How fun is that? I'm going to put one octopus on my plate, on my tray. Okay. All right, the next thing on the list was sea monsters. Look, sea monster gummies. How many bags of sea monster gummies are we going to take to put on our plate? Right, one. I'm going to put one on my tray. And then I'm going to keep moving down the line. Look what's next. Fish. What is the fish really? Did you guess goldfish before we even got to goldfish? How many spoonfuls of goldfish can I put on my plate? You're right, two. I'm going to put two. One, two. All right, let's keep moving down the cafeteria line. Up there's the ocean water. What is the ocean water really? Did anybody guess blue Jell-O? That's what it is, blue Jell-O. How many can I put on my tray? You're right, one. One blue Jell-O or ocean water. All right, here comes my seaweed. Look what my seaweed is. Did anybody guess green beans? My green beans are my seaweed, and I can put how many spoonfuls? Yes, 2 spoonfuls on my plate. 1, 2. Okay, and my last part of my under the sea menu is my octopus juice. And look what it really is. Juicy waters with an octopus on the front. How many can I put on my plate or on my tray? You're right, 1. I'm going to put 1 octopus juice on my tray. And boys and girls, when you go to big school and you are working in the cafeteria line and picking things out, there will always be somebody there to help you. I promise. But when you get to the end of the line, one of the things that you will have to do is punch in your kindergarten number. So at home, you can practice punching in your number on an iPad. You see my numbers on my iPad? You can practice punching in your number on the iPad or on a phone, just to practice looking at numbers and punching them in on the keyboard. Thanks, guys. I hope you had fun with our Under the Sea lunch. Have fun trying this at home. Miss Judy will put the recipe for the octopus hot dogs in our notes for week 12. Bye, boys and girls.